Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous floral hibiscus design as requested by Emily Gonzalez on my last video. I hope you enjoy this one. Let's get straight into it. I don't know if you guys remember, but back in the day, in the early 2000s, everyone used to wear these shorts. No lie, that's all I can remember, and this is the inspiration for today's video. To start off this design, we're going to go ahead and apply 2 layers of your chosen color. I've decided to go with this really stunning blue color. It reminds me of my brother's swimming shorts when he was younger, so I thought it was a great combo. To continue the design, you need to prep your palette with some white gel paint, have a long liner brush, and have a dotting tool. With your dotting tool, you want to start mapping out the edges of each petal. You can do that by mapping out 3 dots or a very wonky C shape. You want to have 5 C shapes in a row to form a circle. Using my Hello Cute liner brush, I'm going to go ahead and pull in the edges of each petal towards the center of the flower to basically complete the petals before we add some more details. You don't want to go overboard with pulling in the color. It's nice to have that negative space in the center. It's actually quite essential for this design. For extra detail, we're going to go ahead and just pull in some of that gel polish in the center of each petal towards the midsection of the flower. It doesn't matter how many lines you pull, but just a few to create this delicate detail towards the center of the flower. We're going to paint a line coming out of the center of each flower. You want to apply pressure in the center, and then as you pull away from the flower, release it so the line is thinner. You then want to add a few more tiny lines at the edge of each line. Make sure there's not much product on the brush. You want to paint the tiniest lines and then add dots at the end of those tiny lines. The final detail I'm going to add with my white gel polish is basically some leaves on the nail, very random places, just where I thought it needed leaves. I think that also longer leaves are more suitable for this design. It gives that more of a tropical vibe, especially with the hibiscus flowers, so I went ahead and just painted that on the nail. A lot of people ask me, Steffi, how do you know where to add the leaves? Steffi, how do you understand placement of objects, etc.? To be honest, there's no right or wrong. I usually just go with my guts. So if I feel like there's something missing, it's because there is something missing. So if you think like, your nail needs more leaves, then add them. If you feel like this is enough, then this is enough. Just try and listen to yourselves, and I promise you, if you follow your gut, your nail will look a lot better in the end. But yeah, before we cure this, I'm going to pop those bubbles that have been on my video this whole time. And then I'm going to continue to finish off this nail and top coat it for you guys. And this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to see on my channel, please let me know in the comments below. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you all on the next one, guys. Take care.